See, here we are going to see about similarity. These two triangles are similar. Sometimes one will be small and the other will be big. Even these are said to be similar, but they are in some proportion. Say for example, this is 2 centimeter and this will be 4 centimeter. So it is in the ratio 1:2. And suppose this is 3 centimeter, the other is 6 centimeter. They are also in the ratio 1:2. So the condition for similarity is their angles are equal and their sides are in equal ratio or in proportion. Then these two triangles are said to be similar. Now we are going to see about the construction of similar triangles. The question here is, construct a triangle of sides 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Now we have to construct another triangle of side 2/3 of the given triangle. So how to construct this? Now we have to use a compass. First, the longest side is 6 centimeter. So I draw the line for 6 centimeters. The other side is 5 centimeter. Now take your compass. See, I measure 5 centimeters. Cut one arc. Then the other side is 4 centimeter and I cut another arc. Now join this. We get a triangle. Now, so name the triangle as ABC. Now draw one acute angle. Now I take any measurement. Any measurement. Now I divide this into how many equal parts I need. It is 2/3. So I take 3 parts. So this triangle what we are going to form, it should come inside the triangle because the numerator is 2/3. So numerator is 2. So it comes inside the triangle. So what to do? Now I have to mark this as B1, B2, B3. Now I join this B3 with C. Now keep your compass, draw one arc from this point. Again keep your compass at this point, draw another arc. See, once again from here you are drawing an arc. From this point B2 I draw another arc. Now I keep the compass here, measure the length of this. See here, I measure the length of this side. So the length of the arc is cut here in this. Hope you are able to see. Through that point I draw the line parallel to this line. So at the point C I keep the compass, draw the same arc. Then at this point is C dash. This point is marked as C dash. So from C dash I again draw one arc. Then measure the length of this arc. Keep your compass here, cut that arc. Through that point I draw the line parallel to this. So now the new triangle formed is A dash B C dash. So this is the new triangle formed. Already our old triangle is ABC. Now I have formed a triangle A dash B C dash, 2/3 of the given triangle. Once again, first we are constructing a triangle of side 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. I have drawn a line for 6 centimeters first. Then from this side I'm taking 5 centimeter and I'm cutting an arc from here. I'm cutting an arc for 5 centimeter. Then from here I cut the arc for 4 centimeters. Then I joined all this, made a triangle. Then next you have to take acute angle, and in that we cut equal divisions 1, 2, 3. So here we have the number 2 by 3 of the given triangle. So from 3 I join to C. Now from 2, how I draw the arc? From here, keep your compass, cut the arc. And from here again we are cutting the arc. Then we measure the length of this arc. Then keep the compass here and cut the arc. So join these two. That makes the point C dash. Then from C again keep the compass, cut the arc. Then from C dash again we cut the arc. Measure the length of this arc and cut the arc here. Then join that. So A dash B C dash forms a triangle. The sum is same with 3 by 2. In the case of 3 by 2, see, it will join with the 2 and it will come to 3. So the construction I will do. Here the sum is with 3 by 2. The second sum is with 3 by 2. So the construction part is the same. First you are drawing a triangle for 6. Then one side 4. One side 5 centimeters. Now join this. Then draw the acute angle, mark equal divisions. Now the down number, denominator is 2. So from 2 it is joined to this. So mark the triangle A, B, C, B1, B2, B3. So the number is 3 here. So the triangle will go out. It is bigger than the given triangle. So same way you are drawing the arc. You are drawing the arc at this point. Measure the length of this arc. From here, cut this. So this line will go outside the triangle. So extend this line. Now from here, through this point, we are drawing a line parallel to this. Same way, here this line will come outside the triangle. So we are extending this line. See, you have to draw the arc from here. Same way from here, I will draw the arc. See the length of this. Same way from here, you have to cut the arc. So through this point, I will join. This line will be parallel to the given line. So this is C, this becomes C dash, this becomes A dash. So this is 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters. So this triangle was the original triangle. This size is bigger than the given triangle, 3 by 2. So it comes outside. So this is the second question you have to do. Hope you are able to understand. The first sum is inside because it is smaller. Here for the second sum, it is outside because it is 3 by 2. Hope you are able to understand this. So we are going to see the construction of tangents. What is a tangent? In a circle, a line touching a circle at one point is called as a tangent. line touching a circle at one point is called as a tangent. Here we are going to see the construction of tangents. What is the first question? The first question in your paper is, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter from a point 8 centimeter away from the center. Construct the pair of tangents to a circle. So pair of tangents means you need to draw two tangents. First you have to draw a line for 8 centimeters. First draw a line for 8 centimeters. So the radius of the circle is 3 centimeters. So we are going to draw a circle for 3 centimeters. Draw a circle for 3 centimeters. Now from this point take more than half of this line. Draw So we are first drawing a line for 8 centimeters. Mark this line as AB. With A as center, we are drawing a circle for 3 centimeters. Then keep the compass at the point A. More than half of this line. I cut the arcs up and down. Then from the point B, I cut the arc up and down. This is a line perpendicular. This line bisects the line AB. This line equally, see, equal it is, bisects the line. So with this point as center through AB, I draw one circle. So draw one circle. So now from the point B, join this point, then from the point B, join this point. So join these 2 points. Mark this as PQ. So PB, and PQ, BQ are the required tangents. See, once again, first we are drawing a line for 8 centimeters. With A as center, we are drawing a circle for 3 centimeters. Then keep the compass at the point A. Take more than half of this line. See how I am taking. Keep the compass here, more than half. Just about more than half. Cut one arc up and down. Then from the point B, cut the arc up and down. Then it will pass through the middle of the line. So with that point as center, we are drawing one circle which will pass through A and B. Now from the point B, we are joining this point and this point. So BP and BQ are the required tangents to the circle. So if the question is, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter and draw the tangents from the point 4 centimeter away from the circle. So what you have to do, keep the scale here and extend the line for 4 centimeters from this point. It is away from this point. This question is away from the center. The second question will be, it is away from the circle. So in such a case, you have to keep the scale here and draw the line. Same construction, but the measurement should be taken from the circle. You have to read the question twice. See, it is away from the circle or away from the center. If it is from the center you have to take the line. If it is away from the circle you have to take 4 centimeter measurement. So on the whole it will be 7 centimeter only, but from the center it is taken for this sum. For the second sum, it is from the circle it is taken. So find the difference between these two and do the sum correctly. See, the next sum is, draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeters such that the angle between the radii is 100 degrees. The first sum is When you see the word inclined, it should be subtracted from 180. So the angle should be taken as 120. For this sum, angle between the radii, I will explain that to you, the difference between these sums. Both the methods are the same, but you understand the difference between these two sums. Draw a circle of radius 5 centimeters. Circle of radius 5 centimeters. Now draw the line. Then keep your protractor. Mark 100 degrees. Keep your protractor, mark 100. 100 will be always obtuse. That is more than 90. Not this side you have to take. Now, keep the compass at this point. With any measurement, draw one semicircle. See. Then from this point, cut one arc. Then from this point, cut one arc up, and from this point, cut one arc. Once again, from this point, you will draw one semicircle. Then from this point, one arc. From this point, one arc up, and then from this point, one arc here. Then through that point, I will draw the tangent. Same way. Here, keep the compass and draw one semicircle. Then from here, I will cut one arc. See carefully. Then from that point, I will cut another arc. From both the points, I have to draw arcs which will pass through this point. You have to be very careful with the point what you are drawing. Once again, from this point, you will draw one semicircle. From this point, I will cut one arc. On that point, I will keep the compass, cut another arc. From both these points, I will cut the arc. This is the point I have to remember. This is the point I have to join with. So, O, A, B, P. Included angle is 100 degrees. The circle is 5 centimeter. This is how it has to be drawn. So, this is angle between the radii is 100 degree. For the sum, then first sum, for the first sum, this is given, it is inclined. So, inclined angle means this angle is 60 degree. So, we can't take this angle. Okay, so you have to subtract it from 180 and get the angle 120. So, here instead of 100, you will mark 120 and do the same way. The next question is, draw a line segment of length 5 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 3:4. First, you have to draw a line of length 7 centimeters. Then draw acute angle like this. Now take equal ratios. Say 1, 2, 3. From here 1, 2, 3, 4. Mark this now. A, B, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, B4. Just it is divided, line of length 7 centimeter divided in the ratio 3:4. From 3 directly join 4. Finished. That's all. Line 7 centimeter. It is divided in the ratio 3:4. That's all. Hope you are able to understand. The next question is, this is the first question. The second question, only the rough diagram I am going to give. You are going to do the sum same like the previous sum what you have done for similar triangles. See what is given. Line AB for 5 centimeters. AB is 5 centimeters. Then BC is 6 centimeters. Angle ABC is given as 60 degree. Angle ABC is given as 60 degrees. So from B, keep the protractor, mark 60 degrees. Mark 60 degrees. See? Draw a line for 60 degrees. Keep the protractor at B, mark 60 degrees. On that, you have to cut 6 centimeters as BC is 6 centimeters. So from B, I cut C. Now join these. This is C. This is 60 degree angle. As usual, like how I have taught you before, you are drawing a line down, then cut it, all the arcs like 1, 2, 3, 4. Same as the procedure like how I taught you for the previous sum. So with the 4 it is joined. Then the same procedure like how we did the sum, you will continue the second sum in the same way. So as I have taught you, you try to do the sum by yourself.